So guys, this place here was on Netflix. They have this kind of soup dumpling, pretty famous. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So yeah, it's pretty famous. It's in the same market as I said before. So let's keep going. We had the food. It's good, but it's not something you can eat just like that, in my opinion. Guys, we found this place. Well, how they call it? Bibimbap?
Bibimbap, we have it.
Bibimbap?
Not this one. Bibimbap is put in a rock, a stone ball, and you mix everything after this.
Is that the rice? The rice one?
Rice.
Ah no, this one is different. What they call it? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, we don't know, guys. But I think I tried it once somewhere in Japan and it was good. And it was good. Tanya, you wanna say something to your audience? Da da da? Okay, she said da da da, guys. Alright. So guys, we have a challenge. My wife gonna eat the bibimbap. Look how big is it? No, it's not a lot. It's just, I'm kidding.
We have another hot stone one.
They have the hot stone one. We took the traditional one here. They give you soup, kimchi, and another food. For dumpling, this one? Oh, so this is mine. I ordered dumpling. And my mother-in-law, she ordered, which one?
Lemon.
Ramen. Okay, I will show you later.
Cold noodles.
Cold noodle. Ooh la la. Da. Tanya Superstar. Da. You are the next YouTuber. You keep going with the channel, alright? She's disappointed. She wants her own channel. And here is my dumpling. This is pork dumpling. They do have the kimchi one too. I tried it yesterday, but it's not my favorite, so I will go with the traditional one. Oh, look at here, guys. Look at the presentation, how they put it on side for you. And it's not plastic, it's real. It's good. They are doing a good job here. And actually, I was surprised. It's really clean here. Really clean. They take care of the quality here. This is the cold noodle. Yes, please show us how it looks like. Ah, see, it's the thin one. It's the thin one. It's not that spicy. It's okay. Okay, enjoy it. Oh, I like this one. Really good. This kimchi. Let's try the dumpling. I think this is vinegar and something. Let's try. They are smashing there. Look at them. They are smashing the food. Right, Tanya? And here we go, guys. We are going to a royal palace, very old royal palace, and it's a shrimp soup. We were trying to see around the attractions, but apparently it's very hard to catch a taxi. Like they are busy or they don't even stop for you. I don't know if because I should stop somewhere. I don't know. And here we go, guys. We got the ticket. It's very cheap. It's just 100 yen. I don't know. It's really, really cheap. You're talking about cents with the American dollar. And look at the view. It's pretty beautiful. Guys, this is the hotel where we staying, DJ Hotel. It's bloody expensive. So let's go inside, I can show you. This crazy woman just booked 3 nights. Crazy. Super expensive here. How much is that in dollar per night? But it's still a lot of money.
Something dollar.
Our bank account is bleeding. Well, this is just the bathroom toilet. Again, our bank account is bleeding. Just to mention that. It's a big room. Style is not that modern style, but we have a closet, we have the bag, so I can show you now. Right? Guys, I'm so tired. Oh my god! Don't put the bag on the. Unbelievable. A wow view. I paid money, a lot of money. Give me a view. A mountain or something. But it's okay. Not bad. She's asking me if I finished. No, I didn't finish. It's a lot of money. I didn't finish. I will show them each corner in this room. We'll measure it together. Now, besides the jokes, it's expensive, but since this probably gonna be one of our last travel for now, let's enjoy it. Come to daddy! Yay! Come to daddy! What about the gap? Can you do it? Yeah? Yeah? Go, 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 go. And good morning again. Say good morning.
Good morning!
So we are, hang on, let me tell you where are we going. It's very difficult name. Gyeongbugung Palace. Well, it looks like that, guys. Look at the, I like all this kind of entrance, like in the movies when they were attacking, and it's cool. Anyway, it's a bit of walk.
Coming from them.
So guys, we are here. We want to go to the palace, which means over there. Here we go, here is the palace. See, easy, easy, come on. So that's how they were wearing back then. This is the palace, guys. Apparently we can go up. Look cool. Oh, same like similar like the one in Okinawa, smaller. And we are inside. Guys, this is a famous restaurant. They do kind of chicken soup that is really famous. Look at the line. Unbelievable. But they said should be fast enough. We will see. It's very old here. So guys, we are inside the restaurant. This is the set they give you. Garlic, kimchi, daikon kimchi, the sauce. Then we ordered 2 of this standard chicken and 1 of the black chicken. So let's see how it's gonna be. This one have ginger. It's more expensive, but have ginger, which I'm not a big lover. That's why we went on the standard. And then we had the himul pajun. It's a seafood and grilled onion pancake. It's very famous here. So hungry. And actually this is alcohol, guys. My wife, she was thinking that is like kind of tea, and she took a big sip and she was crying. It's a ginger alcohol, I think. Just in case, be careful.
No, you cannot.
And the place is really like old and cool. So good. Show you later the chicken. Here we go, guys. This is the black chicken. This is the normal standard one. This is the same like the other one. And this is that kind of seafood pancake that they make. Just amazing. So guys, look at the bone. The first time I see something like that. Even the bone is black, that chicken. I'm smashing it. It's so good. So at the beginning I was just a bit concerned about like how gonna taste like. It's my first time to deal with the black chicken, so I don't know how gonna taste. And it's not cheap. So that's why I was like, let's try it. And actually, I really suggest it. It's so delicious, even better than the normal one. And this seafood cake is so good too. Right, Tanya? Yeah? Yes. And hello. We are in this street food market for foreigners, which is very, I don't know. It's not my style, guys. You know, I take it to the local place, real price, like local. Here it's very foreigner style, not really my style. So we might just find a restaurant and go easy tonight. Here, yeah, they have some food, like nothing really special to be honest. Not like the other market. So guys, we are going to try the fried baby crab here. Just eat it like that. She tried it yesterday without me. She said it was
Okay.
It was okay. So let's try it. You eat the whole crab like that, right?
Yeah. I use my hand.
Not bad. It's a lot. It's like for one person, it's better to take half, guys. It's a lot, but it's delicious. It's good for with a beer, I think. Like always I say, everything is better with a beer. Okay, let's keep going. And here in Shinseng, whatever, in the Christmas start with Earth. No, besides that, it's big center, big malls, like fancy ones. They do the competition of Christmas decoration all around here. But it's pretty good. I like it. Very make you feel the Christmas very warm. It's a good area. Now let's try this. This is with cinnamon. She already started. Shame on you. Crunchy. A lot of cinnamon, very good. So good, guys. We got it from this truck here. So good. 1,000 won. So it's pretty good. And we're going to search for a restaurant to have dinner. We will see. The crab, by the way, wasn't at the end. It's just too much for me. So I don't know. And hello, beautiful people. So today is our last day in Korea, and we are here in. You can see it, Noryeongjin Fish Market. Let me show you. Look at this fish head. Huge. So huge. So from internet I found that they are saying that here they have really good prices. It's much cleaner than the last one I took a video of. That is the smelly one, if you remember. And yes, here it's a bit clean, and you can buy whatever you want, and they cook it for you in the second floor. Guys, seriously, this stuff I never seen it before. Like this one, especially this I saw it like cucumber, sea cucumber. This one never seen before. Yeah, they are not really happy over this. So we might end your sad life. Oh, look at baby octopus. So sorry, guys. They're still little babies. And that one I heard is good. I didn't try it. I don't know. We had in Japan this kind of how we call it, tiger shrimp, but it's a farm one. You can try it once, it's okay, but it's not really delicious. Oh. Okay guys, so we bought all our seafood. We'll have some sashimi and some steam. We will show you. This is the price, how much we got everything. Let me show you. Here we go. This is the app I'm using. It's called iMoney. I'm not sponsored, so just can choose whatever you want. It's 238,000 Korean won, which mean in American dollar it's 175.99. But we got 3 kilo king crab, which is big. We got something long that I told you I'm gonna try. Something long? I don't really know the name. And we got some what else? What else did we? We octopus. We got octopus, and we got some what else? What's the other one?
The red one, they call it sea sazae. What is sazae?
We don't know, but we're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it. So let's see.
This is monge. Monge.
This is the monge, the red one, right? Okay. Or kimchi. Whatever. Yeah, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either, if you think about it. Thank you. Here is the wasabi, and let's dip it. Don't look that friendly.
What the heck is that?
Yeah, look like alien stuff. So
I think this is sure.
Let's hope so. Let's go for it. Dun 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 dun. Okay, you hold it. Look at me now. Yes, focus. Okay, if you eat it without soya sauce and wasabi, it tastes nothing. To be honest, like it's watery. You can feel like the ocean in it. but honestly, tastes nothing. So without wasabi and let's try the tough part. I don't know, it's gonna be very chewy. And oh my goodness, this chopstick is so hard, guys. The Korean chopsticks. And focus on me. Oh my goodness. I don't think you can eat it. I don't think you can eat it. The skin is so hard. You can't eat it. There is no way you can eat it. How do you eat that?
Let's ask Joe again.
Okay, I'll ask again. Back soon. Okay guys, like an idiot, I was chewing that, but apparently you don't do that. Some people they chew just to take the water out, but yeah. And here the octopus sashimi, it's alive. Look, it's moving. Hey, wake up. I'm gonna eat you. Look. Ooh.
吃第一口还挺好吃的，第二。阿爸，애기야。
Guys, still moving. Look, still moving. Do we dip it in this or we eat it like that? They already put sesame.
Yeah, you can try it just like that first.
Oh my god.
哎，自动关门了。
Okay.
咔嚓。
Sticking in my mouth inside. Pam pam pam. Look at guys, this is the one I was talking about, guys. I don't know the name, and I don't even know if we have it in Europe or something, or in Egypt. I don't think so. We have different ones. It's all steamed. The sashimi with 3 taco, 3 octopus. It's that much.
With a small one.
And it's actually small one, so it was okay. You don't need more than that, I think. Let's eat.
That's a good one. I always like the normal one.
It's pretty good. Okay, and now it's oyster time. It's that big. This is my hand, not that big. In Japan we have really huge ones. Let's try it. It's all fresh, guys, so even without sauce, go for it. It's amazing. And pam pam pam. 3 kilo and 300 grams, I think. King crab. Let's dip in this one. Yes, Tanya? Enjoying your food? One day you'll start to eat all this. Oh, look at Tanya's hand. Tiny. No, for real, look at my hand. It's huge. Good. Let's eat. And we have our surgery, Dr. Liu. She always cut the legs first, like you see. Oh, piece of meat. Oh, mine. Mine. And then we just open the body and enjoy the rest first inside the body, and then we go on the legs. Where is a lot of fun. Alright guys, look at the meat inside. Here, after you open it, of course you need a heavy duty scissors here, and look at the meat. And this is even not the best we had. Like, we had some crabs before that, remember? Tell them about it in Japan. that was full of meat, like really full of meat. So yeah, but it's an experience, guys. Try it. What's the money?